Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm from Lash. Today I'm going to do a short video on isolation. After you do the class with us, you send in photographs of your work and the trainers mark it and give you feedback of hold your tweezers a bit differently or work on isolation, etc, etc. I thought what I would do to make your life a little bit easier is I would do some short videos on the key points that people have trouble with in lash extensions. These videos are more designed for beginners as opposed to experienced technicians. So the first one I'm going to talk about is isolation. The first point is how you're seated is going to make a huge difference whether you're going to find isolation easy or hard. What you want to do is you want to have a beautiful line of sight looking straight down onto the client's eyelashes. If the client's seated too far down, your line of vision will be like this and you won't be able to see the base of the eyelid very well. So you almost want, and I know this is a little bit rude, but you almost want your boobs, small or large, tucked into the client's head as so, which would allow you a nice line of vision down there.